Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and I'm in Idaho Falls near downtown. And in this video, I'm going to show you scenes along the river, which they call the Idaho Falls Greenbelt. And in this video, I'm going to concentrate on what is on the south side of the main bridge, which is Broadway Street, where the Japanese garden is, and then going up north side of that main bridge on the east side of the river. And I'm going to do another video of the Idaho Falls Greenbelt on the west side of the river, which is where you get really good views of a really long waterfall, long set of waterfalls. So come along with me and I'll show you around this part of the Idaho Falls Greenbelt on the Snake River. Now this is a really unusual dam and waterfall. It goes a long way. I can't even see the end of it. And it starts on the other side of the bridge here. Well, the dam is not on this side of the bridge, but there is a Japanese garden. It's called Friendship Garden. Well, there is a small dam here and a little waterfall there. It's a nice little Japanese garden. This is looking south. Look at all those blocks they've got set up there. It's kind of a non-traditional Japanese garden right along the river here. I think this is the only pond got some little waterfalls that are running out to the river here. First time I've seen a Japanese garden right on a river. This is the footbridge across the river. Here's a shot from the top of the highway bridge, and that's the Japanese garden right there. Here's a shot from the other side of the river, the west side, where they have all these blocks I showed you earlier, and a little lawn area there, a bench. These rocks are probably carved a bit to fit in with what they needed here, and here they are along the edge of the river. This is looking south, and here I'm looking north over where the waterfalls are. We've got a nice flower garden here, and the river here goes right through the downtown area of Idaho Falls. This is north of the highway bridge, where the water looks really peaceful, and those ducks or pigeons or whatever they are over there are sitting right on top of the dam. Right on the other side of them is where the water goes down the dam. This is a Saturday, and they've got a farmer's market going on there, selling food, prepared and market food and other things in those canopies. And here is the LDS temple. Here's something I've not seen before at a bicycle rack. They've got an air pump and some tools. How nice is that? There's the stands for the farmers market, etc. This is interesting. There's a sculpture of a couple deer, and a good part of it is actually something growing here. Look at that. Making up the side of the deers. And I'm not sure what this is. Maybe a moose? Looks kind of unusual head there though. And it's got this stuff growing on the sides. Interesting sculptures. And here's a Veterans Memorial recognizing 4 different wars in recent history. And further on north, on the east side of the river, is a lot more park area, more interesting sculptures. That's a couple bears. This hiking biking trail goes a really long way. Here's a map of the Greenbelt, and there is the highway bridge I was referring to. So the Japanese garden is right here, a little bit on both sides, and in this video I'm following the red line, which is the hiking biking trail going up to there. It goes up to here around that park, and looks like that's where it ends. But then also the trail goes a long way south of the highway bridge, which is Broadway Street. Well, I'm going to leave you with this pan of the east side of the river from the Broadway Street Bridge. Please look for my other video that I'm going to be doing for what it looks like on the west side of the river also. Good day, folks.